These room dividers have floor-to-ceiling hardware. Let's install them together. Step 1. Preparation and layout. Determine the placement of the ceiling and floor mounting hardware. The panel is 47 inches wide. Space the cables 47¼ inches apart. Mark the ceiling and floor at both mounting points. Step 2. Pre-drill mounting holes. Pre-drill holes at each marked ceiling and floor location. Drywall and sheetrock, use drywall anchors. For wood, anchors are not needed. Concrete, use concrete screws and anchors. Step 3. Install ceiling hardware. Insert the hardware screw first into the anchor in the ceiling. Repeat for the second ceiling mount. Step 4. Assemble cable hardware. For each cable, drop the internal spring into the hollow hardware cap. Then insert the cable through the cap. Feed the cable into the cable stopper. Slide the stop to the end of the cable until it sits flush. Tighten the Allen screws on both sides of the stopper to secure the cable. Step 5. Attach cable hardware to the ceiling. Thread the assembled cap onto the ceiling base hardware. Tighten it fully so the cable is securely attached. Repeat for the second cable. Step 6. Install panel grippers. Locate the 3 pre-drilled holes along either side of the felt panel for a total of 6 holes. Align the single-sided panel gripper with each hole and insert it into place. Using an Allen wrench, tighten the gripper securely so it is firmly attached to the panel. Repeat for the other side. Slide each hanging cable through the panel grippers on the felt panel. Carefully position the panel at the desired height. Once satisfied with the height, use the Allen wrench and tighten the bolts on each gripper. Step 8. Assemble the floor hardware. Repeat steps A through E from step 4 to assemble the floor cable hardware components. Using the free end of the cable already installed at the ceiling, thread the cable down into the floor hardware. Insert the anchor end of the hardware you assembled and secure it into the pre-drilled holes in the floor. Step 9. Tension and cut cables. Before tightening the Allen screws, pull the cable through the hardware to remove slack. Once the desired tension and length are set, trim any excess cable. Tighten the Allen screws to lock the cable securely into the floor hardware. Step 10. Secure floor hardware. Once the felt panel is level, each cable is parallel and the cable stoppers are secure on the cables, tighten the end cap onto the hardware on the floor. If you are putting up multiple felt panels next to each other, use the dual-sided panel gripper instead of the single-sided one. Now you can enjoy your Felt-Right room dividers. Then you will be able to place another felt panel into the other side of the panel gripper to utilize the same cable for 2 room dividers.